Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making unboxing for a package that came in the mail last night, but it was too late for me to do an unboxing. Here we go. Alright, so you got a minor league team named the Potomac Nationals. You got the P with the flag, Nationals flag inside of the P. You got the red brim, white crown, red button, blue on the back, white Batterman, sticker, milb sticker, black under, black sweat, milb genuine merch, new era, size 8. Let's try it on. Oh, and white new era. Let's try it on. Fits nicely. And that has been my quick unboxing for our minor league Nationals team hat.